The Reserve Bank has published a review of its approach to what it calls forward guidance. The document is nearly 10,000 words, but here are the key bits. The fact that many people interpreted the forward guidance as a promise that there would be no rate rises till 2024 led to considerable reputational damage. When rates were increased in May this year, many people saw it as a broken promise. In hindsight, maybe a less specific time frame would have been preferable. And they will learn from the experience. Well, that's great. They also published the minutes of the last board meeting today and, well, they haven't exactly clammed up, saying the board is prepared to keep rates unchanged for a period while it assesses the state of the economy. The local share market was close to flat today. AGL fell more than 1% after Michael Cannon-Brookes's 4 nominees were voted onto the board, probably leading to a faster exit from coal. NAB went ex-dividend. Elsewhere, miners were cold, pizzas were warm. Wall Street fell last night, but there were solid gains in Asia today. On commodity markets, iron ore and nickel went up a lot, oil went down a lot, and the Australian dollar went above 67 US cents last night and stayed there today. Now, it's not just Elon Musk's Twitter that's firing a lot of staff in America's Silicon Valley. Last night, Amazon said it's laying off 10,000 people, but that's less than 1% of its massive workforce. Bigger percentages have been announced by Cameo, Robinhood, Intel and Snapchat. And immigration in and out of Australia is almost back to where it was 10 years ago, but it's still only about half what it was before the pandemic. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.